5 a.m. on opening day. We're heading out to one of the farms right now. We're gonna go see if we can hear a gobble before we get set up. We'll check with you then.
The ground's wet now. We're gonna put the hand line down. Looks good. We just got set up here. Got the decoys out in front of us, about 30 yards probably. It's a bit rainy, so we're hoping they just make their way out to the field and then see the decoys. Yeah, we heard a few gobbles this morning across the road. So we set up. We knew they were going to probably end up coming to the field, hopefully. So set up here and hopefully they come in and we get a shot. Yep. We'll see you then. Yeah. Checking in now. It's about 8 o'clock. We had the decoy set up behind us because we thought they were going to come off this trail and down right into where we have them set up, but they actually ended up, or we heard them gobbling in the woods behind us, so we had to turn around and get set up for a shot in the woods behind us. But then after calling to them back and forth, they just kind of shut up, and we've been sitting here for 30 minutes since then. We haven't heard anything, so we're thinking we're going to sneak along the woods line and get a new setup down there and see if we can get them when they're out in the field. These out here quick, because one just went in the woods right over there. That's good. That thing looks more real than a real freaking turkey. Tell you what, if I was a turkey, I want to get some of that. That's for sure. What are you doing? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we set up on this bird here. Went into the woods. We came rushed out in the middle of this. It's like a little patch of woods inside of the field. It's in the middle of the field. We set the decoys right out there, about 20, 25 yards. We're hoping to call this thing back in. We're gonna wait a little bit before we call. They gobbled once, I think, while we were over here. So hopefully we can get to come back in. Hopefully it didn't get too far already, but yeah, stay tuned. Yeah. Tips and tricks on how to be like us. And we're gonna give you guys some tips on how to kill turkeys. Giant turkeys. Obviously we've like killed us so many each year. We've been out here all day. Yep, killed 13 already. Step 1. You're gonna want to find a turkey. Step 2. Take a look at this guy. That's what you want to look like at all times. Step 3. Be this guy. Okay, well, that's our tips and tricks of the day.
Yeah, we gave you a lot there, so take notes. Words of wisdom.
Any words of wisdom for
Yeah.
the viewers?
Yeah. If you're packing a lunch to school, don't forget to buy one as well, because double or nothing, that's what my mom told me. And you can take that to my grave. Where am I? Where am I? You were getting close. Where am I? Oh, where am I? Where? Oh, there I am. Did you find me? Did you find me? Oh, I'm here. There. Oh, well. That's gonna wrap it up for our opening day for turkey season. We heard a couple gobbles, saw a few birds, none that were really close. They weren't even close enough to get the camera on them in time. We got a little bit of footage of them walking away in the distance, but we're gonna keep after it. Don't got a lot of time, but we'll work with what we have.
Yeah, we'll make it out before school a few times. Only until about 7:15 though. School starts at 8.
Moral of the story is we're gonna shoot a turkey. It's just not gonna happen today.
Yeah. Hopefully we can shoot a couple turkeys. We can take my cousin out. You can get one, I can get one. A couple friends that want to shoot a turkey.
Yeah.
So.
Hopefully we get a lot of videos out of a lot of turkeys being killed, not just by us.
Yeah.
So we'll see you then.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Thank you.